Today, we're gonna do the Active Directory Domain Services installation. First, we need to open our VMware and then log in. The first thing that we have to do when it is open is to adjust the date and time. We need to set our time zone according to our country, and in our case, in the Philippines, we need to adjust it to UTC +8. Once we're done with the adjusting, we can just close it and proceed to the next step. Go to the local server, and then we're gonna change our computer name. Don't put it in the computer description, but instead click change, and then we can change it now in the computer name. Now we have to restart our PC in order to apply the changes. Once we're back, we have to log in again. Let's proceed with our server manager and then click again the local server. We're gonna enable the remote desktop. Click allow remote and then apply and then OK. And for the most important one, we're gonna change our IP address. Just click properties, then click the internet protocol. Click user configured, and then we can change the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. The subnet mask is auto-computed. You can just copy the way I did it. After this step, it is recommended to restart your computer. The next thing that we will do is add roles and features. So for this one, just click next. Gonna use the role-based features again, and then just click next again. And then for this one, we have to choose the Active Directory Domain Services. Then click next again. For this one, we don't have to choose anything. We just have to click next and install. Now we just have to wait until it is finished. When it is done, we just need to press close. And now, we're officially done with our ADDS installation. For a recap in what we just did in our video, first we did adjust the time and region setting, and then we continued static IP addressing, and then lastly, we did our ADDS installation. Thank you for listening and watching my video. I hope that you learned a lot.